Let's be honest, most of us don't exactly enjoy vacuuming or mopping. That's where robot vacuums come in, right? They're meant to make life a bit easier by handling the daily mess without much effort from us. But honestly, a lot of them are just okay. So when we got our hands on the Yeedi S14 Plus, we were curious. On paper, it promises features like a roller mop and upgraded suction power, but we wanted to see how it actually performs in a real-world home setting. After unboxing the robot vacuum and the Omni Station, we paired it with the Yeedi app in just a few minutes. The app has come a long way. Clean layout, fast mapping, and easy navigation. Even adding our Wi-Fi and triggering firmware updates was hassle-free. The robot itself has a low-profile design with radar embedded, which helped it glide under most of our furniture. On the top, there's a touch button and a small panel that hides the power switch, Wi-Fi reset, and a QR code for quick app setup. The Omni Station is on the bulkier side, so if space is limited, that might be something to consider. But it earns its size. It doesn't just dock the robot, it manages it. It automatically empties the dustbin, refills the clean water tank, drains the dirty one, washes the mop with hot water, and even dries it with hot air. We didn't expect to rely on it so much, but it really made everything feel effortless. When it comes to suction, the Yeedi S14 Plus does not play around. With 18,000 Pascal of suction power and anti-hair wrap tech built into its V-shaped rubber brush, it handled our pet-heavy home like a champ. We tested it across hardwood, tile, rugs, and carpet, and it consistently picked up pet hair, food crumbs, rice, and even fine coffee grounds without scattering debris or clogging up. What really stood out was how well it avoided obstacles. In past tests with other robots, socks and stray wires usually trip them up, but the S14 Plus smoothly navigated around those without getting stuck or dragging them across the house. One of our kids' toys even got a gentle nudge to clear the way. No drama, just clean. Through the app, we could easily switch between vacuum only, vacuum then mop, or vacuum and mop at the same time. We usually stuck with vacuum first, then mop. It just felt more thorough that way. The ability to adjust suction power, cleaning speed, and water flow per room gave us the flexibility to clean differently in the kitchen versus the bedrooms. Now let's talk about that mop. The new Osmo Roller. This is where the Yeedi S14 Plus really sets itself apart. Instead of dragging a mop pad like older models or spinning dual pads like some premium competitors, this robot uses a 6.89-inch roller that spins at 200 RPM while applying downward pressure. And yes, it scrubs. We were impressed by how well it handled dried coffee stains and muddy paw prints. The mop isn't just dampening the floor, it's actively cleaning it, all while being rinsed, scraped, and dried by the station as the robot moves. That means it doesn't carry dirt around or leave puddles behind. Our floors dried quickly and looked spotless. The mop also extends toward edges, and with True Edge 2.0, the S14 Plus really nailed the corners and baseboards. We didn't find those annoying, untouched strips that you usually have to follow up on by hand. This robot is all about minimizing the time you spend thinking about cleaning. The Omni Station automatically empties the robot's dustbin and washes the mop with 167-degree Fahrenheit hot water. Then it dries it at 145-degree Fahrenheit, so we didn't get that funky post-mop smell we've had with other models. Still, there's some upkeep. We had to occasionally wipe the sensors and clean the base plate because grime can build up over time. Also, we did run into a moment of confusion when it came time to replace the roller mop. Turns out you don't just pull it out. There's a button in the app to retract it first. Once we found that in the settings menu, it was a smooth process. Lesson learned. Don't flip the robot over like we did at first. A full replacement pack, including brushes, filters, dust bags, and a new roller mop, goes for about $60, which is reasonable for the upkeep this robot needs. Yeedi's app is smarter than ever. You can rename rooms, divide or merge spaces, set no-go zones, and even add furniture or floor types to fine-tune how the robot behaves. Carpet in the living room. It'll lift the mop to avoid soaking it. Want extra suction in the hallway? Set it with a tap. We especially liked that you can schedule cleanings, trigger multi-pass cleaning for extra dirty areas, and even integrate voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant. The robot mapped our house quickly, and the layout was accurate enough that we didn't have to keep tweaking it. After weeks of running the Yeedi S14 Plus in a lived-in home with pets, kids, and all the mess that comes with daily life, we're genuinely impressed. It isn't just the features, it's how well everything works together. Powerful suction, smart mopping, actual obstacle avoidance, and a base station that really reduces the hands-on work. Is it the cheapest option? Number. But for everything it delivers, deep mopping, powerful vacuuming, minimal babysitting, it justifies the price. For busy homes with pets, kids, or just a desire to not think about cleaning every other day, this is one of the best we've used.